With the deposit window of EigenLayer opening soon, you have 5 days to get involved with this protocol. I'm Brian, I'm the Crypto Bro, and today here's a quick tutorial of how to deposit into EigenLayer. If you don't know what EigenLayer is, check out my video explaining the protocol linked above. The actual act of depositing and restaking into EigenLayer is actually quite simple. So here we're on app.eigenlayer.xyz. You would connect a wallet. This is the exact same as every other DApp out there. And you can see some high-level stats up top of amount restaked, the points I've earned, the restaked ratio. Below, you see all the liquid restaking protocols. Now, the biggest and probably most famous of these is Lido Staked Ether. So let's go down here and click on Lido Staked Ether. To actually deposit into EigenLayer, you need ST ETH. So here you would simply put in the amount and you would click deposit. Deposits are currently paused as of the making of this video, but it's simply one transaction to deposit. Now, I mentioned you need ST ETH. So if you don't have that, that's what we'll be covering next. All right, so let's head over to get some ST ETH. So first you'll see here, there's the Lido landing page. You can get stake tokens on a variety of different protocols. How Lido works. Lido lays it out pretty easily here. Step 1, you need a stake. Step 2, you'll get ST token, in our case ST ETH. And 3, you can use it where you want. Now, this might be very obvious, but before you can stake your ETH, you need to have ETH in a wallet. There are many, many different avenues to do that. Coinbase, MetaMask itself has ability to direct swap. I wouldn't recommend that. You're basically paying a lot for convenience there, but in case it wasn't obvious, you need ETH. So just like most protocols, the first thing we're gonna do is connect our wallet. So we'll click stake now. It'll take us to the staking page for ETH. We will connect a MetaMask wallet here. And pretty easy. Put in 0.1 ETH, I click stake, I then approve in my wallet. I'm actually not going to do this right now. I will reject this transaction because it costs me gas, but these are the exact steps you would use to get ST ETH. And once this transaction confirms on chain, you would see ST ETH in your wallet. At this point, we'll head back over to EigenLayer. Make sure that you are selecting the correct protocol here. So we're looking for Lido Staked ETH right here. We click in, and we would simply click deposit. If going through all of these steps sounds too complicated or too much of a hassle, there is an easier way to do this. I've talked about this company in previous videos. It's called Rainmaker. I am not affiliated with Rainmaker at all. I've just found them to be one of the easiest ways to get into a protocol such as EigenLayer. So you can see here, we're in the Rainmaker wallet. It's telling me what my total portfolio balance is. If I click over to the quests, we can see a variety of quests. Here we're going to select EigenLayer. When we're in EigenLayer, you can see they have all the strategies that are listed directly on the EigenLayer protocol. We're going to look for ST ETH again because that is the asset we hold. When you click into ST ETH, you can see here that you can deposit ST ETH directly, but if you didn't have ST ETH and you only had ETH, you can also deposit ETH. So you can see here I have both, but we could deposit ETH directly. I'm putting in, let's say, 0.3 ETH, And it's telling me here that we can go, or what they're going to do is go from ETH, they're going to swap it for ST ETH, and then they're going to deposit it into EigenLayer for me directly. How much do we expect to earn with this? Well, you can see here on the Lido page, when you're staking ETH, you would expect 3.3% APR. So you'll still be earning that regardless of whether or not you're participating in EigenLayer. How much do you make on EigenLayer? Well, let's click over to the EigenLayer docs. You can see that they are rewarding you proportionally to how much you're participating. Right now, you're accruing restaking points in EigenLayer. Presumably these points will convert to tokens as there is a rumored airdrop. There are additional risks that come with using EigenLayer. EigenLayer is a smart contract, so it comes with any sort of smart contract risk. You're providing them access to your staked ETH, so anything you put in the protocol is at risk. Also, because you're securing additional networks with the same collateral, the risk of getting slashed does increase. Finally, there is a 7-day waiting period to withdraw your unstaked ETH. So if you need to get these assets out of EigenLayer in a hurry, you're out of luck. It's going to take 7 days. The window is open February 5th to February 9th. So if you're going to do this with EigenLayer, you need to act now, or you're gonna have to wait until they announce another deposit window. As you can see, actually performing this is just a few button clicks, but hopefully you now understand what's actually going on underneath a little bit more. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. We'll be doing an explanation of liquid restaking management next.